Hi, I'm Rebecca from Little Adventure Shop, and in this video I'm going to show you how the Patagonia Grow Fit system works so you can extend the length of your kids' jackets and trousers. Okay, so Patagonia have a Grow Fit system which allows you to extend the length of the arms and legs in these sort of outerwear. So the jackets like this, so like the snow pile jacket, the daybreaker jacket and the all-in-one suits, where you've got an outer layer and an separate insulated layer, you can actually extend the length of the arms and the legs by about 2 inches. It's really straightforward to do. So the idea obviously is that the jacket, you can get a bit more life out of the jacket as your child grows. It's not available in the down range, it's just in the sort of the more ski winter jacket ranges and salopettes and all-in-one suits as well. So what's it all about? Well, if you just look at this jacket, if I just hold this up in a minute, this is a daybreaker jacket. If I pull the sleeve tight, you'll see actually the inside fabric on the sleeve is really tight. I can't extend that anymore, but you'll see you've got wrinkles on the outside. And that's because the jacket's been shortened by a couple of inches in the arm length by basically what they've done is they've taken a couple of inches of the internal lining fabric and the insulation, cinched it together and then simply stitched around it here. So you can't feel it when you're wearing it and this is in, it's all nice and soft and flexible, so you're not aware of it. But when your child grows and the sleeves are starting to go up their arm, what you can do is just relax this, sorry, not relax, release this, and you'll get an extra 2 inches of arm length. So let me show you how you do this. So it's really, really simple. All you need to do is take a pair of sharp nail scissors, something like this. I need to put my glasses on for this. And then really carefully just start off by getting your scissors underneath and then just snip it. Careful not to snag the fabric. Give it a little pull and you'll get the first few stitches will come undone. And then simply just go through like this and pull it out. I'm sure seamstress would have a better way to do this, but this works for me, and it takes a few minutes, and you just keep going like this, just pulling each thread through like that. It's quite therapeutic. And on the other side you'll get a loose bit of thread, just snip that and just keep going. And what you can see already is that I'm getting an extra bit of length in the sleeve here. So like I said, really, really simple to do. I suppose you could, if you were handing the jacket down to a smaller child and you wanted to reverse this, if you're pretty nimble with a sewing machine, again, it wouldn't be that difficult to do it yourself, to put it back in. But there you go, just keep going. it's going to make a really dull video if I sit here for 2 or 3 minutes doing this. So in true Blue Peter style, for those of you in the UK, we'll get that reference. Here is one we prepared earlier. So this is obviously an all-in-one suit. If I just open it up, you'll see, or actually if I just show you from the front to start with, if you look at the arm length, this is the arm we've extended, and this is the one that's still got the Grow Fit in, and you can see that we've got a couple of inches of extra length there, and this one looks a bit more gathered on the outside and this one looks more taut. So again, I'll just show you this completed arm then. So this is what we started with the Grow Fit system there, all intact, and this is the one we've released. So you can see the little crease there where it was, but that's now given you a nice couple of inches of extra length in your arms. And just to show you the legs, they're exactly the same. There you go. Again, you don't feel it when it's up like this, and then as your child grows you can just extend it and get an extra couple of inches of length. So super handy. Hopefully it'll get you a bit more use out of your jacket and trousers. Any questions, put them in the section below, but as I think you'll agree, it's really straightforward to do. So yep, don't worry about it, just crack on and extend it as you need to and get a bit more use out of your Patagonia gear. Okay, if you like the video, please hit the like button. Many thanks.